Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you new liquid glass widgets for your any Android device. So let's begin. Guys, first download this glass widgets on your Android device. These widgets download link available on description. Simply click and download. After download, simply tap and open. After open, guys, look at these many beautiful widgets with categories on this app. And you also download wallpapers from this app. Look at these all categories. Let me show you widgets. Look at these digital clock, literary clock, analog clock, all widgets. Let me show you how to add. Simply select and tap on widget. Look at these 2x2 clock size. Simply tap on add and new glass clock add on your Android device. Now next, look at this battery, all type of battery widgets. Simply tap and add. Now go back. Weather. This is weather widget. Calendar widget. And system widget. Look at these all type of system widgets available on this app. So guys, you also install these new glass widgets on your any Android device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.